Shubal sir speaking. Children, as of now, we have been dealing with the chapter the chapter practical geometry. So here is the exercise 4.4. Today we will be discussing about. So we will be discussing about exercise 4.4. So children, here in this particular video, we will be discussing about question number 1, in which we were asked to find, to construct a quadrilateral DEAR, quadrilateral DEAR, in which the measure of DE, which is 4 centimeter, suppose this is DE, this is 4 centimeter, the next measure is EA 5 centimeter, this is EA, which is measuring 5 centimeter, EA 5 centimeter, the next measure is about AR 4.5 centimeter, 4.5, so this is 4.5, this is AR 4.5 centimeter, and the measure of others are angle E, which is 60 degree, measure of angle E is 60 degree, and the measure of angle A is 90 degree, measure of angle A is 90 degree. So children, here we will discuss about these following things. So now we are going to construct a quadrilateral. Name of that quadrilateral is DEAR. So the very first thing what I prefer to do, children, as we can see that angle E is measuring 60 degree, angle A is measuring 90 degree. So we are going to construct these two angles on the base of the figure. So I'll be preferring to take EA because angle E is 60, A is 90. So I'll draw a line segment. And I'll copy the measure of the side EA with compasses. This is measuring EA 5 centimeter. I'll place over here and I'll draw one arc. So name of this line segment is EA. Name of this line segment is EA. Now, so I'll be constructing 160 degree at E. Let us construct 60 degree at E. So I'll hold my compasses. I'll place here and I'll draw one arc. With the very same measure, I'll not change this measure at all. I'll place here and I'll draw one arc. Now I'll make them join. So if I join them, the measure of this angle is going to be 60 degree. Measure of this angle is going to be 60 degree. Now one more angle is left, which is to be constructed at vertex A, measuring 90 degree. As you all can see on the question, that is 90 degree. So children, we know how to construct 90 degree without using protector. By the help of compasses only, the angle 90 degree can be constructed on a line segment. So I'm holding this compasses. I'll place at vertex A and I'll just draw one arc. Throughout this construction of 90, nowhere this measure of this compasses is going to be changed. So I'll place here once again, I'll draw one arc. With the very same measure, I'll place here, I'll draw one more arc. With the same measure, I'll place here, once again, I'll draw one arc. And with the same measure, placing over here, I'll be drawing another arc. This is a final arc of angle 90 degree. So now, these line segments are going to be joined. So I'm joining it. So the construction of angle 60 and 90 degree is done. Now, here is the measure of DA. Other two vertices is left. So what I can do, I'll just measure DE. I'll be taking the measure of DE, placing over here. I'll place at E and I'll be giving one arc. So this is vertex D. R is left. We can see the measure of AR over here. So AR will be copied once again by the help of compasses. I'll be taking the measure of AR, measure of AR, which is measuring 4.5 centimeter. I'll place at A and I'll be giving one arc. Children, this arc which I have just now constructed on this line segment, that is R. So DEAR is being constructed. Now I'm going to join these 2 points. Name of this figure is DEAR, the quadrilateral. DEAR is done. If there is any confusions or doubts, children, please do watch this video again and again. Or if still it's not cleared, please feel free to speak to me. So children, similar kind of constructions are there in the next question. The question number 2 is all about just similar to question number 1. Similar process. Using similar process, we have to construct this quadrilateral, in which we'll be dealing with 120 degree, then we have got 75 degree. So using this process, we can easily construct all sort of quadrilaterals. The next quadrilateral is TRUE. So children, thank you so much. If there is any doubts, please feel free to speak to me. Till then, thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you, everyone.